Hello, this is Miss Apple of Pixel to Paper. We are coming to you live from the beach, where we are going to practice spelling the days of the week. Now, this is really important because you're going to use it almost every day whenever you have to write down what day is it. Also, I found a cool stick today, so we're going to be using the stick to write. This is a kinesthetic way so that you can move and you can be hands-on because I really like to be tactile. I'm a tactile learner. It's also visual, and you can make it auditory by sounding it out. So Monday, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. You can say that after me, Monday. Now we're on Tuesday. Here, that first sound is a T for Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. You're going to find in spelling there are patterns which can help make it easier, such as that D-A-Y ending for the days of the week. Monday we saw it, Tuesday we saw it. Now we're going to go to Wednesday. This one's a little trickier, only because Wednesday, once we get back to it, showing you Monday, showing you Tuesday, now Wednesday. It's important to know it's W-E. You can see above, I have it written on paper. A lot of people want to put an S here for Wednesday, but really, you have to do a D. And you can remember Wednesday is W-E-D because that is how it's shortened, in case you don't want to write the whole word out. W-E-D. Wednesday. There you go. The best way to do this is to write it out, see it, use it, and practice with it. Because practice can help make progress so that it can soon just be natural. Now we're on Thursday. Remember that D-A-Y pattern we were talking about earlier? T-H-U-R-S. Give me a D-A-Y. There we go. Looks pretty. If you can't find a stick, you can also use your finger on the beach and feel the sand in your hand. I just had this awesome stick find, so I wanted to use it. Now we're on Friday. Starts with an F. R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. People usually love Fridays because after Friday you have the weekend where you can sleep in, enjoy the day. Here we go, Saturday. Saturday starts with that S sound, like in snake. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Almost done. Stay with me. We got this. Okay. Sunday. Here we go. Sunday. You can say it out loud too. Sunday. S-U-N has the word sun in it. Sun and then day. D-A-Y. That's an easy way to remember how to spell Sunday. Like the sun shining. Sun and day. D-A-Y. Beautiful. Okay, look at the work we did. We have Sunday. We have Saturday, going backwards. And yes, I used rocks to hold down the paper. I found these rocks too when I was looking for my stick. It also helps with penmanship to help practice. If you aren't at a beach though, another way you can do this is using colored pens on paper. If you don't have pens, you can also use your finger and just trace a desk with your finger. Don't write on the desk, but you just use the tracing. You can also write it in the air, like in front of you. It's another visualizing technique you can use. You can also get sand if you want and lay it down. You can use your hand to wipe it down so that you can have a new start. Oh, whiteboards. A lot of people like whiteboards too. Now that's our progress. Also, look at the birds, and I found a really cool set of 2 rocks. I'm gonna keep these rocks.